Hello learners, welcome back to Learner's Galaxy. Today we are diving into the world of basic formulas and functions, the backbone of Excel. So today's targets are introduction to basic formulas like addition, subtraction, and then using basic functions like sum, average, etc. So let's get started. So first, let's explore basic formulas. Formulas allows you to perform calculations directly within your spreadsheet. We will start with simple addition. So for any formula, you have to first put an equal to sign, then give the cell you want to add, then plus sign, and at last which cell you want to add. There you have the addition of two cells, that is B2 and B5. So for subtraction also we have to put an equal to, give a cell referencing, negative sign, then another cell, and there you go. For multiplication also we have to give an equal to, cell referencing, here we have to give an asterisk sign, and then another cell. And same goes for division also. Here we have to put an forward slash and then another cell. So now let's talk about functions. Functions are predefined formulas that simplify complex calculations. So let's start with the sum function. So for sum function, you have to put an equal to and give sum. You can give as much numbers as you want. Like I want to get a sum of this whole column B, so I have to give whole B, and so here we got the sum of the whole B column. Similarly, you can use average functions to calculate mean of the range of the cell. So here, like I have to find the mean of the total cost, so I just have to put an equal to here, give an average, and then I'll give a whole range of the cell. So here I have an average value of. Similarly, other useful functions include minimum, where we can find the minimum value in any given range of a cell. Same goes for maximum. Here I can find any max value of a given range of a cell. Now let's understand the count and count a function. So count function will only count all the numerical values. It won't count any text values. So here there are four numeric values in the column K. The count a function will calculate all the items, whether it is text or numbers. So here there are total 4 items in a column K. These functions can help you quickly analyze your data. So stay tuned for more videos where we will dive deep into Excel. Thank you.